Guys, Karis here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're good and keeping safe. Into this video, I'm going to be reviewing the P. Louise brush set. This is the Diary of Secrets brush set, and so cute. So P. Louise is always on point in terms of packaging. I've noticed they're really posh. They're so pretty. The packaging is gorgeous. It's got like a pink theme going on, like, you know, nice princessy vibe here. It's really girly. It looks like a diary of some sort. It says protect at all cost. It says happily ever after here, and it says Diary of Secrets. And at the back there is just a bit on happily ever after. It's all about love, and it's signed by P. Louise. I'm just gonna open it up. Ooh, see, there's a mirror in it. Like a nice things on, you know, dear me, myself. It's all about self-love. So cute. Signed by P. Louise. I love me. I love me. This is nice. It's like a diary, really. It says I'm grateful for, and it gives like 10 slides for you to kind of say what you're grateful for. So this is kind of the first page. It's like I don't have anything like this, so it's quite handy. If you're into like girly princessy pinky thing, you will love this. So this is the second page. It's got like a nice mirror, and it's quite nice. It says quite inspiring, and on this side it has self-care checklist. So that's good. Well, you know, normally with packaging you just throw it off. With this I will have to keep it. I like the mirror in it. I just like the way it is. My daughter will love it, so I might give it to her. And this is the next page. This is where we've got a brush set, guys. This is what it looks like. I think on this page, talking about the brushes. The first one, it talked about the So Deep in My contour. So there's a contour brush here, a flat brush for the base, and there's a blending brush as well. Your Wish is My Command by P. Louise. This is really cute. I like P. Louise because she's so into the detail. You know, she's just attention to detail. Packaging is just on point for her. So her packaging is always the best. I've never seen anything like it. It's really creative. Well done, P. Louise. And to think that this is from the UK, yay! Fantastic. This retails for £24. It comes in 3 brushes. 117 blending brush. It's at the end there. It's got a 662 contour brush, and it's got a 7071 flat brush. The flat brush is the one they really use to cut the crease. So I'm going to put it to the test today. I'm just going to bring out the brushes out. This is the 117 blending brush, and it has like P. Louise inscripted on it. 117 too lost in my blend, and it's got like hats. It's just so cute. P. Louise is just, attention to detail is exceptional, guys. I'm just gonna take out the contour brush. It comes in a nice mesh. It has like a nice mesh to protect the shape of the brush. I'll take this out. Oh wow, this brush feels really nice. This is the 662 contour brush. It's got like a pink at the bottom, a gold here, and the nice fluffy brush here. The final one, which is the last brush on the set here. This is the famous cut crease one. 7071 flat brush for applying the base, the P. Louise base, and cutting a crease. It's got like a gold as well, and a nice pink. The packaging is just exceptional. It's so pretty. This is the P. Louise Diary of Secrets brush set. Use my Fenty Beauty bronzer to kind of try the contour brush. It's quite soft, not bad at all. Yeah, I like it. So this is the contour brush. I think it feels nice. No, the bristles are not going in or something, so it feels really nice and soft. I've zoomed you in so you can see what I'm doing. To apply the eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the P. Louise base in Rumor 02. Applied it on this, the crease brush, so I'm just going to tap it on. I like the way it feels, so I'm just going to tap it in. I'm just using my beauty blender to blend it out and remove any excess product from it. I'm going to be going into my Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I'm going to be creating a look with this today, so I'm going to be using Still Shot with the P. Louise blending brush. This one here. dab that on my crease. So what I do, I press it in. So after pressing it in like so, I just blend ever so lightly. I hold the brush at the end. I blend in like a nice circular motion like so. Then I'll do like a windshield wiper motion like so as well. This brush is so soft, guys. Wow. Really nice. I'm gonna tap it in again just to deepen it more. Then I'm gonna blend. So this brush blends like a dream, guys. It just blends. It's so soft, and it just blended out the colors really nicely. Love the brush, I really do. But to add more colors in, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe brushes. There's only one brush, so I need more brushes to create this look. I'm just gonna go into Hair Ride here with my Morphe brush and blend and tap it into the outer side. So this is Hair Ride. I'll be putting this in the outer V like so. Bring it into the crease, into the still shot, and just blend it out. So back into Hair Rise like so, just to deepen the crease. To the Louise brush, get the still shot and just blend it out. Jet black, and I'm just gonna put it at the outer side of the crease like so, just to deepen it just ever so slightly. Go into Hair Ride again, tap it over the black and gently phase it in. Into still shot and just gently buff everything out nicely. 7071 base brush. So I'm gonna use this to cut the crease. I'm literally just gonna put it here. I'm just gonna do like a half cut crease. I tend to open my eyes like so to know where to cut the crease. So when you open your eyes like so, the concealer transfers up there and the line shows where I need to cut my crease. So I'm just gonna follow that line. Use this brush to just tap and tap till I cut the crease. So I'm just tapping the brush in, and the brush is helping me cut the crease by just tapping it in. I'm just following my eye shape. Brush here, like buff this in like so. So I just like phasing it in because the end side be harsh. So just push it in like so. I'll start by using all the colors I used on my crease. I'm gonna start with still shots. I just put it on the side. Hair Ride, darken the outer. White heart all over my lid. Just gonna be pressing it in. Back into still shot. I just put it in between white heart and the darker colors like so, just to nicely phase it in and bring it this way as well. Break away for my inner tear ducts under my eyes. Okay. Real mascara. So this is the final look, guys. I just used mascara. I didn't want to fix any lashes. Brushes were soft. The contour brush was so nice. Cut the crease perfectly. This just blended like a dream. In terms of my final views, I do love the Louise brush set. This packaging is just so cute. I can't get over this packaging. I love the brushes. They applied smooth. They were soft. So that's it for this video, guys. What do you think about these brushes? Comment down below. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked it, click the like button. If you're new, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell so you see more videos as soon as they come out. So I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.